In this video, I will show you how to set Arabic in Microsoft Word as a language. So click on File and Options, and here click on Language, and here click on Add a Language. And in this list, guys, you have to find out Arabic. So once you select Arabic, just click on Install. And to use Office Display Language, so in my case, this English language is first language. So here select Arabic and click on Move Up. Select Move Up, then click on OK. Now here you have to restart Office. So click on OK. Now exit Microsoft Office program like Excel, Word, and which program are you using? Exit. Now reopen. So we can see now this Excel in is Arabic language. Similar way you will find Arabic in Office program like Word or PowerPoint. So thanks for watching.